Nero eduke cholide kuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company namba yemo eyokorose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisia ebintu biria bikomenya seyeka ngokwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati wekariguri ria bantabatinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganiri erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayenyora bwekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwanjumu ligereri karibu ase egeikaro ikiiga gusiri tukaligalia Jumapili tukatangana tukolia amakendo abali bakwandika nsali tukolia Jumapili abange babanyako bagochengera litukeliga ase njere abene kolendese ikingi makuru chaka litukolia Jumatatu goikara litukolia lero nabanga gende abairega kugwene kiwa chinsemo ao ayonyako bakungusa ebirengereri akurwase abananchi kurwase serikali na kurwase onde bwensi namuna butambe butoiti wakonya na kuligereria alianyako bagakwene kiwa nigo asoko bokwana bukuli bonsi bale bagotabanga on the right and then on the far right kinege songo bagachibata batemeseke busi osino yorange soko bokoli no yorale seko bokolie nabwa bweto kuchaka na Dennis Orioki abakwani head of state commendation
biamono abaligereria bami toba gatembe itukolia yao asege ikaro nende tuikeranira biamono sana ya tubwakia eli tukoligi mara kirende twaikire
biamono sana
nanche tigangire bageri ngo kwani mwancho mo ligereria Tembe TV nande orio sigete karomono nande tokwarigania senchera ya bene egera tunyara ko togosangama na imbrana betwete whether rero bantu mbasogete by the way imbrana bayatuma ite akamora kera gacha bantu oye imbranga yire bono nande yachire
nande complete ngange chiri gocha
akisha chakire because buna rero iga you will find out that abantu mbara kuborenga imbre yabe nyinge
muno orio koni chianga nakyo koni chianga imbre go tomo na rawe montago chaka akibali bale chiro batandikira bantu nebyo
nane chindagira nchiro chitari koliye kakere imbre gutwa bono nyora ngomuntu lia goenda to disadvantage lakini nchiro chikuria kabuna boneka hawa you find out that kwenda ere in demand echa maybe ndego
wiki ya twara mange sana kulende aya nanda kubali kwera gakoreri baganene ndirigoro yechigosori chia bana matuna bana bali ruta isikoiga bana nebinde binge barakore abakonya bana bagotera matera ndonsi bagotenga kundi gwensi bagocheza gosori chinde chonsi lakini abana beskuru ya baisike ya putere girls babwate gosori kurunga echoes of war balingo chiko gosori ali national sinsemo chia Nakuru kulenda senge enjoy gatambukira kama 2 3 ebimwe tu estora wenga byanya gabigokoreka mbanya tugo perform na omuwasiri Julius Migosio Gamba tukalengeri tukoria ichone tukoria ichoma na twaga kwandika ntekesa nyete kabaga taba sebirengera libye gusekolenga nere nga abana abaniko batanya tuko bago perform egakora niko ekigamiro kia bachigete ba perform egosolia na yaringeta koreri monchiri dance na ndemba turi baga perform bonsi boka banyane baga deciding ambali go perform bagatero gatera kwa kurunga national anthem yoka bakamega so akuru stage na ndike ntukiria kibero mwasiria kwa natatanga umuntu guturenia abana sama chiko sabne chiko okarikura goikabe mwalimu ingento munekyo nimetike teke mwansi mwake bwatiri kone litanga tutarake igwo toigwe ngwana yo muwasiri Julius Migosio Gamba mu director na bakumbekera Migosio Gamba agagukwana igoro ya abaroke bagute ba Butere Girls ende tomaiko mumaiko recommend ino ngenteke.
The government did not stop Butere Girls from performing. Can you rephrase that question? You are very aware that the students were allowed to perform at 8 o'clock. When they came to the stage and after the national anthem, one of them stepped forward and said they are not willing to perform without their director, Mr. Malala. Mr. Malala is not a teacher in Butere, he's not a director in Butere, he's not a director of that play. So the students, of their own volition, decided not to participate.
Masiri Migosio Gataga Mr. Malala is not a director, Mr. Malala is not a teacher. Ayana manke. Gente kwa kebwatiri kwa kerole mnanga kiabere ke flow wiki ngima. Comment ndanga nera liko de gente ngions.
Comment yana ndanga nera siasa ya lenga se ni ya Butere nende ya berge kobo koru 2013 tuaroche ege kora go se ntobuneke ase play ya lengo runga shako zo koruliria ekamachikorokananga madawano play ye komachikorokanana neli tata koleto mochieso lakini ya machikorokananga ne kero lego cha se society
abantu bebizete go solime
bintu bya machikorokana ya berege kobabo lakini message teiko ba straight teiko cha plain bune gocha ekobiswe biranga biko bisume abantu bakemanya bamaje tiko kebisa lakini karongo kelige limono number 1 serikali yanyole tuko pone kariko play catch up egaro bamanyete nga siasa ya soire ime naro cheliru belie principal rejetlie gento bunege goncho kane mitandao awone tyo mwalimu olenge in charge inga o change play ya bere script ya bere genteke ngao getarengo ekamachikorokananga barolire koruabo then ekamachikorokananga warning ya rurwe to the teacher concerned. Then liru beltika kopigwa a sub county director of education, county director of education, blah blah blah, bake TSC secretary.
Likurwe warning igoro.
Likurwe warning nge play ya change we. Ebintu kete bi amendment ruime. Wono na kinkobo lirende where was the ministry up until a day 2. Marogo belia mambe bago chiko participate chiko soko perform. Toka majikora sign si chega ntokeko cha kwa mambi serikali ko se Minister of Education led by Waziri Ogamba egakira pi no manyete moraliole asengencho ekero crisis ke once a pre-crisis in kimota kere mobe. I believe a Ministry of Education in jambo at mitigation measures lakini bagakira paka ebinto bigasaleka accusations ikagenda all the way to the head of state. Karokananga a president nere tatageti agenteke kebe. That was a picture I better painted. Number 1, a ministry ja failed. In as much as bagota ka review and doing other things, they failed from the onset as ogo banga ebintenga kibiyala kwaba. Number 2, failure ya lenge abana babangire ko ba allowed actually omogano ninyo bwateti. One of the parents abana bashiyegete principal ya kanete na board of management ya kanete ngai play ya very intoxicated na bintu kete bya siasa. We are breaking for the April holidays. You are no longer going to participate. Abana bakagenda sobo
bamayetenga they are not
bamayetenga participate. Some parents even in WhatsApp groups here baiboli bande bakamuanga abana bono bakaba pressure nyinge. Some parents abande bale well endowed na resources na skills na bomanyi bonde bagada ya will go to court again take moira ne sukuru mogako omwana na bako tengwa ngentande una generation ye ikira no ento ikanda play yaito na no monto manyete bintenga kibiko korwa will go sama basi ngwa ngenda tole will do something kondo rora no ekoro mo iboli kikwangirete sukuru binde bigo ikato taiko participate muneta kere pressure kama unti asaba iboli abaiboli bakagenda court karo bagenda court baganjirwa and you cannot believe it omoiboli yo amobegete kina nkisi county akorwa ekina ekabego kisi kende Kakamega egia kisi ke kasabai I think egia Kakamega came later na kero gaet so nende kaamuli wanga this is the position
abana tikabaje pa perform
e principle kaligi abana against our wishes abaiboli against our wishes initially chi arenge ngegente kia change ubona ngonde terakere lakini akaba forced nga egente play bono wikegendere a ministry new egente kase giachire new Malala was behind, new people were behind, new all these things bagatika paka gegaka a president rige na likubu oboshi
Sam
so
Notorious.
The notorious. Anyway, the Nigerian Tebenga actually went na wasomore and you went under high school and then to asoma. Tengo soma tu arenge bitabu binge chi play the short plays bitabu chi novel. Nanda maeno ma literature ge kora ige kurwa ni kioo cha jamii tunasema amangana aliye kwa actually na hatabanga na bwatu bisekete na ande nkonyara ko baga gwaka maybe abaraya baito in one way or the other lakini rende ekiga kya butere galsi kyaro chikaina koba igokere so direct to the government of the day. I think in number one, remember igokere koba directed no mwana siasa umwana siasa oyo orenge initially a secretary general ye chama ya UDA lakini yaka because of some reasons yakarwa bono again to at least ndatebenga igokia roche kaino gwaka serikali na koba so political because it was engineered by a politician who is also against the government bone karokananga andake gata to fight the president and again to kende Malala unanjana manyire chinga kie chinga na manyire this is not the first time I go director ko chikurende chinga and Malala by I think he was a teacher as they say ngano mwalimu orenge lakini ibintu bune binko barenge gakoba anajihusisha nao yani akobwata sana
director chiko soli chokwegia 53
tarige nto kiarenge kigania sare nigento konya narire nanda bono tukuboli maybe naro chali abantu bakubolinga mukubolinga tari mwalimu abandi bakoreta nga dware no munyagitari ari so you know when something happens kiro muntu nabwata accusation kiro muntu naro gutaka kuruto yondirige na arokane nganda akene ro koreta ki obwate amangana yake bona bona bagata banga umurayibu ensanda akene ro bwata ko bwo kuchana ro kandi bono isingincho literature kerego cyo gusebintu bune bikira bigocha iko bikobe kiyo lakini mbiri ko ba so direct but for me tente banga iko kiabete so direct isingincho ko address the issues that we have seen kikaba so direct that it agitated abantu mama ngabo especially the government and maybe the Ministry of Education. Na ida bana gentonta etuko bolinkelinga where was the Ministry of Education just like Orioki aboringa where were they mpaka to that point goikerana bagati genteke kagendera and mpaka goikerekera ngiki
bono amaboli abantu abange bakwebolizikana yangaki egende gatangani abana bali mbati ya gasetiku nchire kia serikali yatakere gutumeka goitani yatumegete yo kuruta abana tia gas ene liboli ritangana liboli ya kabere abana bamba bwate right yogo play bosi yogo chiasa gosoli yabo yokwegya lakini in the same way babwate right yo mwana wabwate right yo kuwatch TV nyomba bwate right yo gutumeka simu yao na bwate right na right na yaro nayo kumuligirete ngangi abantu gutumeka because it is the understanding of many a play na benge mune movie and yons tema sina nyeri trivia lakini ekaro yenga nenge movie igo na be play na rated gosenchi gose under 13 gose over 18 ngobwante koligere chi play from inception ata benge play yeye ne yabana ba tergalsi ne yabana ba university ne yabana ba PP1 ne yabana ba grade 7 turacha kira the content was what
ntobwate timu ekorokunga drama committee from the zonal level sub-county, all the way to the national level. Ntobwate adjudication team, adjudicators team nerali ekoligerelia content. Some of them are drawn from the local level up to the national level. So now we go choose content area, ake level yogo ikaigoro. However, some little room there for improvement. Comments in Chileba there's on level, but if you want to tune here and take a kino get no any sub county and the county level, there are things, there are loose bolts, chitakeremo tighten a little bit. Now in costumes, if I commenting a costume we can more change. No, more adjust yes. No any content here tally go flow ya muatunga amalieta na remota kere momentega. That be it as it may. The freedom of expression. However, this freedom of expression take any fringe other people's rights. They violate the right on the moina. The principle, in her own wisdom or lack of it, after adjustment of the script, later at the regional level, adjustment in as much as the whoever exercise hearing her own freedom of expression, they are rolling in charge of a drama club or whatever it is. In her discretion as the teacher in charge. However, a principal looking on to what has changed, she realized in between somehow some rights of other people
have been infringed.
According to her, those rights she have infringed. And being the principal, she is in charge of the school. She is likely to be held culpable and accountable to the same government Yagos have allegedly in the play. She had to act together with the team and their board of management. Bagaikaranza bagatabanga a play ya say ikire koikeche tore conflict between the school and the government. Now the government, being the Minister of Education, is responsible for samangana drama na bintobinde. A decision yagaba arrived at ngalende eke otoko ke suspend based on this tikakera aba suspended. Buna rights yinago tebinga. You are right as you error, over careful to infringe or violate other people's rights. Abana felt this is our right. Freedom of expression is enshrined in our constitution. No, they decided, goikato sugume tobeka pressure kidogo, ekabekwa. Above all, a ministry is to blame. Number one, right at the grassroots level, they ought to have sorted the mess at the zonal level. And also, even the participation, Butera Girls was number 3. There were other schools, category 1, 2, 3. It was number 3. And they say it is because of the insertion you have into at the regional level, was number 3. Otherwise, from the sub-county level, they were saying in number 1 or through going up. So, two things we go is about policy. Then, of course, the capacity in our schools in terms of training. That capacity within the training, within the teaching fraternity, are they able to get without moving outside the confines of the school, which go outsource collegia, other individuals, Mr. Malala and other people, Mr. Itumbi and other people, so that Rokananga, I'm doing this thing because it is wrong, yes, because Minister of Health, you don't need to justify wrong with another wrong.
Yeah, sure. Now, on the same time, Edra Mayor ki Malala, Dolch Kainenga, Utangu Taswamali. The Chinde onye Malala, Atangu to the public Motangu. Atangu private. The Chinde and then go to go and the king getting now was in our case, script in our area because one never your way.
Oh, my, the problem with the script, according to me, na Marieta Kita Komach Korokana, Koba direct. Yani, una bongo thing aquí. aroni ototo genda bobasi ngichega omuntu getayiro ngaki aroni ototo gatabwa genda bobasi you know that those are the same exact words bono egento kiarete maybe anda kobututu kanu boiga nesengi chamangana na aro atume getua se play yeye aroche kaino koba direct to fight the government I think one kama jikora kana ngarende nabo yabe tubuna yabe tabantu bakoreki gosigente kiaro kana ngiri fit for abana ba go play it is what kwa body you know if that is what they have practiced for ekine kegen to bari gochikuru whether Marara could be there whether he could not be there onye script yarenge neria it could still be remaining the same neria yarenge ko so the president the mangana Malala they have practiced they have done that neria ngarenda ago cha direct but the script was the same
part of it ni akaraba rule national na liba kwenda state house ko perform ababona already mba performati nano mbona mwasiri yota mba performati baso ete bakaira national anthem bagasoka game meeting esabali yabo yarega nkikeri ibona in that second sega to move chigente ngao nki ngakito gutanga so that igendo mune ngeirorera because it has repeated itself 12 years later igendo ya happened 2013 na shackles of doom ya happened 2025 ngakigendo mune kikira apanya ko bangetange ko irorero mutuga in that second
mine is very simple tiga as a conflict here between the school and the messaging at the zonal level. A committee in it strengthened, the other interests are taken care of, but they are going punishment yes Havana. Regardless, Kikiara Koba, Malala go Chakosona Bintobinde, the truth is Havana right here when Java infringed, which was wrong. Moving forward, Tikatoli read the focus on the student. In as much as Yamagos have it, there was a better way to rectify it. You go sit with the students, then you analyze. Talk to the principal, talk to the teacher in charge. I womo so moisa ina we no ane show cause no te go in between yata this was wrong. Tinda manyanki ba laneti in 2013 during the shackles of doom, but in between those other 10 years in between around 11 years they must have done so well in between so lende ke giacha ko repeat one after decade
ona nje ntonda tebe ototuntu asomete mustaiki mai take mo asomete ngaki no lakini
mayai waziri wa maradhi
waziri wa maradhi ngasome kitabu kende ke kwanga Caucasian chalk sako ikina gochitali
ana of the people ngiarengo
ana of the people bino lakini pia ana asomete mustaiki mai again tongero twara kurukunga betray in the city bono betray in the city so even they could reflect actually the government of the day how it was doing na rabantu ba kurifa lakini rende ekigankia beta bit very sensitive ona genjege ntonda tebe tochagwa avoid ibintu nebiga you can bring place that reflect what happens in the society, in the government, in any leadership position. Lakini we don't take the exact words maybe other leaders ever used. Bagakwane ngakeye ochonyara etoro bona yakoro kananga you are violating the right of the other. Nga era benga ni uchocheze gete. Much as you are bringing this thing to arubo bisegete ime boko machi go address ebintebika because ebintebiro bimboro and the books, the novels, the plays that we have by the way, you'll find out that it reflects a certain leadership. Naberabe yekenyoro, naberabe at the government level, the county level. Lakini rende teba so direct in a way we use exact words. Egarenga we learn then again to get comment. You know, tiagas inga bana baba get something bad because abana batama think what next. Determine manager and montara manyanga na abogoriti a handkerchief na match and they were caught unaware that they didn't even prepare again to make it happen. Again to the care go happen. When you deal with minors, you don't subject them as saving to bunebiga tiagas because can take a person.
I could be having of a contrary opinion. Given an opportunity. Butera girls, Abana Balimbale beat a little bit in discipline. Actually, national anthem they have played by the organizers of the event, not theirs. But their time you go perform. One of them spoke. So then a little bit of you can sense a little bit of indiscipline cases. Regardless inga mulinyanyaswa, you don't take it to justify ngantu anyanyasuna into we can respond.
Yeah, sure.
Even the way bachieteng must go. That is going beyond.
Yeah, sure.
You know konya yaro kanrenga bana bare blameless intoko ba konra kende akinya karo baro kanena ba correspond bana nenga itoko because baro ba fall ba so ile malala they have confirmed abandana ba malala balenge.
In fact,
But again, you find
That
out,
one was a serious oversight.
but again, Orioki, you find out that the song of must go, navera che to tebanga igo ya chete.
You have no reason to justify it. No,
I'm not justifying, but I'm just...
we can have mercy on you.
Lakini
triggered with the way that they were mishandled. The only thing that we can do, let us just go with the song must go.
All right.
Yeah.
In fact, I believe an honest statement moske marara jete ko buga to kama yaye ni awe ya justified getambo kero. It justified the steps ya serikali ya tagatia bara jete ko tabanga inchena nyote ngabantu ba isbabuli bara te serikali kene nganywa kama bana baba gotu igaga confirm nga in one way was using but one to katika na yua drama Kenya wakatanga Kenya ne isa drama nation na ndetu anara nero wiki aitanto nya kwa to koligero igoro ya county ya Nyamira sana ngali kubwa mono igoro ya uburai we county assembly ambanya tukabaga ikira na bosi ya senate asa mangana mange sana nya tukabaga kokwanwa na kuburenga no kwikira na kwabo gende katanga gete koligero lugali ne budget di boldi nene kimelia nga kimpachet ke gutumika nani ngo approve budget na nene budget ya bunge mashinani go sine budget ya bunge mtaani edibuna toje bunge nyumbani na ekero toko en tete mo director nanchi esere jikire puje ko bugatia anchi esere ase budget ya county ya Nyamira ase office mo control budget ya kuana arafu akara jesere kurwabu arabu magon chiesera egese oyo ese nyabaro muske nyabaro tatu nyabaro na umuske enoku okero bakonyara ka bakorwa ibirengere byabo igoro ya kenga tada crossing remarks igoro ya senate to yunga to magori ngaki presentation kibairete bosio bwa senate director na fira kariri ye budget ye county ya Nyamira arafu bwati kuna ya Nyabaro na umuske Nyabaro na Okero.
I actually don't deal with speakers. Let me put it plainly that way. Financial matters rarely go to the speaker. Now, when it comes to issues of passing the budget, I am not part of the passing of the budget. But once the budget has been passed, it will be forwarded to me because I will oversee the implementation. Really, my mandate starts from implementation. I am not part of the budget making process. So, in this particular instance, as you have seen, if I'm in any doubt about the speaker who is in office, I will normally ask the head of the treasury. But since I do not deal directly with the speaker, I expect that if there are any changes, it is the county treasury that will alert me on the same.
That we are great for power, but our hearts are bleeding. It's only in Nyamira that a consignment of empty breweries can be flagged as in the name of drugs. It's only in Nyamira that the governor can pay himself 5.6 million.
Honourable Chair.
Mr. Governor.
Honourable Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'm saying on behalf of the people of Nyamira,
Honourable Chair,
the governor is not here. You cannot discuss.
The major problem we have, Honourable Chair, the major problem we have, Honourable Chair, is the set of Congo Umogeni. It's the problem of Nyamira. Honourable Chair, give me an opportunity to speak.
Chairman. Honourable Chair, I withdraw and apologize, Honourable Chair.
Na umwanjwa umurigereri eyo negatialia nyata kwa kane kwa bosio bwe senate se lituko aba gosobo teneri bwe bunge ya Nyamira bwanyataka bugukirana abosio bwe senate yuo nengwana yagati yaba gose yaba speaker abo babere umo speaker no gokero nabo igo umo speaker Thaddeus Nyabaro nabo igo obisio mo control budget ya tabire ngero tiri gudiri na bunge tiri gudiri no bwansi gudiri na umo wasiri igete ngitu agekwanirete wiki ya Jumapili ya itato kubolinga budget kiegwetu ekena kinkora ngi ni wani wa the other na kigeta ire tunga ye umo wasiri ara nere irete budget kiirete sekwenda
biamono morario toto na regret how it played out omo control of budget alenge very clear na manyete mandate yae. There was no contradiction. There were no two budgets here to Metunayamo, and the avenue has been a source a budget line in Chiregocha from the county executive committee member CCM. Naboya Haberege Gocha. Regardless, prepared. Those other details could come later if there were reservations in a budget. Muairwe Yahabeire now. I listened to the senior councils. You could get the feeling a budget yero nebuate enchera ya bairege kogenda. Nonye enchere konyago ligereliwa. There were either side. Almost speaker in quotes that use you are tara resign in between yomo MCN and speaker katiabu. Nonye Enoch nere no arabu atabetenge MS nebu original netaba. It's all about your authority ngaijinguruchire. You could get the feeling as a budget yerogotira to the control of budget mbabu atibo tu kanua sabo. So eru nyumbani bunge nyumbani ose bunge mashinani ko ijere budget budget because you have about chances choko ta survive nkoro because they'll miss a lot. Number 2, ko kuligeria control of budget abantaba most speakers yokoranga most of the senators yabalenge buna balibete kumusuguma manonga okolire kebesana we approve the budget chirichiabo expenditure yabo without consulting or say rekororanga ingikegenderete in between again dokende kwa majikoranga ere was not even so much concerned in echisegichigenderete in the county assembly whether there is a speaker or mashinani or say speaker nyumbani. Either way ereta abuat any business with those categories ichio malumbano. I still had a question yakaboli walinga correspondences jindenjiro ama patano nale mu atore communication yendenere ya chirenga ojotali speaker go seninje speaker bono kende gi ya change ri agakana taranyora ken in our own right ega chete konyolege nteke ekero a committee ya rangereti governor na some MCS na lianse to ko karanga kai a problem nerali. So as far as she's concerned, she had information inga omo ntokoba in charge ye budget no mo county executive committee member omo CEC in charge obairega ko bana role in charge okotoma budget so tia bete concern ya sale between the two gentlemen. Now there's two speakers. You could clearly see kere kambinebu at weight towards their side. Abande were even accusing a senator, abande were accusing a governor. Either side you could get kwa konyore fallback. Nonye ne timu ya Nyabaro konyore fallback yere ase Nyagarama. None timu ya Enoch konyore fallback yere ase omo senator. Either way mbabu ato mondo bara blame, which was quite unfortunate. Progress ya bere made so far nelinga they have been warned no nyamba iko put the house in order eba sengo tenenere county eliera umia
tienda nyori kia kwa na Nyagarama
nyaribo
so nyaribo so ayeko nyarekana. So I think what I want to believe in getting it was a good show kogenda se senate egere banyara ko ba addressing ngikia nyara to ko ba giko korekana gosaga ndata se county area Nyamira. So ototo and we said that I think it is last week to atebatanga. You know, the two speakers that you are having as SNSMA Nyamira, Naboko Tebanga, their legality very questioned in a manner that Bunabono Thaddeus Nyabaro, Naboko Bolinga, he should be an ex-official officer. utabwenti koba elected gose asenseme echi county wards lakini bano kwama yakonyoranga igare a sitting MCA and is also serving as a speaker ibona yamanya kumureta rento
tutaende statement ya igoro speaker ndaito mu director nambe kirega bwese nyabaro umuske tadi nyabara ko bolu ngana mu speaker go sino mu MCA tutegera to mic yana to bwatera ne comment ne birengerere ibintu.
It's okay.
Serving my third term.
Third term?
Yes.
Now, have you assumed to be the speaker?
Yes.
Did you resign?
That matter is the motion that is in court.
No.
And then I will not answer it here.
Just answer.
Yes.
Did you resign?
Yeah, of course, yes.
You resigned from being an MCA?
Yes, I did a letter. And wherever I did it.
I want to say yes or no. You are still an MCA.
Until the IPC declares all through I did a letter.
Through the chair.
Okay, we'll interpret.
Through the chair. I'd like to remind Nyabaro that he's under oath. He's still under oath.
Yes.
And he's lying through his teeth.
Okay.
To this committee.
You're under oath, and I think that will take you back. So on serious note.
I pray, Chair, that you repeat that question to him.
You are a member of Parliament. I mean, the County Assembly of Nyamira. Say yes or no. You are a member.
As at now?
Yes.
Yes, because I'm a member. Because you know, under Section County Government Act, Section 7B,
that will be done by our team.
A speaker is a member, an ex officio.
No, you are an elected member of the assembly. Elected member or nominated?
Elected.
Specifically, Karanya Ward. Okay. Have you been a member of? Any one time or now? Were you a deputy speaker?
Deputy speaker, yes.
Before you resumed this one?
Yes.
You were a deputy speaker.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then after that, acting speaker.
And now?
Yeah.
Not acting.
And now elected as a speaker.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you are still an MCA.
I did a resignation.
Okay. We will interpret that one. Okay.
Through the chair.
The question whether they forwarded it or not.
Through the chair and through your legal team.
Dennis, you know, speaker MCA we county ya Nyamira otamiro kwa yarasa sana nganingiare kolengana ne statement ya to kuma ya nganingiare lakini ndera na maitero manya nganingiare
Noroche buna tantaneyo.
Na what tata in it was.
You can't quite tell exactly. Ona are caught in between. Until ABC are declaring a TMCA.
I did a letter.
On the Vintoria and very clear. No, and I Romo Kiore, is struggling, but it's quite unfortunate. Rule of law, they are very challenging. And I'm sorry to say this. There's a way a county area answered the way answered from the onset.
From 2013.
Even though we work out services no leadership. I remember the first speaker on Nyamira Kingoina, the office. That speed at which the office could be, these are the things we can cover home to go my head. No, unless by Karanse, I think they may not get it right. A county it is caught in between either one solve their problems inside Yaba call people Bamwe, Kogan Rabia, Gose. National government here and here. Usangana bintu bitali buya bushiye. Tuachiko declarando da de kero ka Canadians.
Bas, bona be ko iru rais.
I want to believe that the government of Nyamira is one of the longest serving county chief of areas of devolution. Unajua, no arenge since 2013. I think we should be knowing what happens in those county governments. Erana ko ba correct solution. But all in all, red lakini hao tabanga bona ba speaker babere tuliko ranga kwa ofisi ko bwato wachokan na ni ko bwato butantan because na kera ko bolwa na ko ranga bwato tukano you are speaker na ko tabo na resign. So I think to avoid and we are the Kisii Nyamira got to talk about the county at least to koba abantu terobosio because my that one no resources nyingi sana in terms of materials. You can tell kana nenda ngire nyingi ngurwere kusiyanda kuti Nairobi or whatever. So at a point of having this confusion in Nyamira for this long, and mnoro chabona kabirera nkaro ya siasa kagenda takoba abana national government ko irali bagariri erecha tuale control over that. But I think blaming all Senator Wata Momocho, Governor Wata Momocho, let them sit. Na rocha amasabanara korekanta yesese. Amasaba what was the essence aro onyare koreto murembe why couldn't we achieve murembo ri uwenete kutoka county ya Nyamira again at the end of the day to are an organized county for the sake of service delivery ko chasa
na
jendo chembu yara terwe general mali no general
ara so kijindero Nyamira ali
abantu baraminyoki wali kweli abakonyora ngoma choko
NMS kwa nana weko kwa NMS ngala Nyamira bado na Nyamira bado goruku chinga kietio mo governor bwe county ya Nyamira nanya takabaga gukwana litkulia ichumanga gete chinga kiali koigora okubwatira na gatie county ya Nyamira amone kiombe kia EIDU kenye katatukaleta bukoleria sogosira mangana ICD me county ya Nyamira mo governor nyaliwo nanya takabaga gukwanira igoro ya omo senator na igoro ya omo speaker Nyabaro twigwe omo director nambekire ekiribwe keso omo nebwe county ya Nyamira agokwa na igoro nyalibo na neke gokwa na igoro ya senator Mugen.
There is no one day anamoja Nyamira to Saraswa and I want to see sama kwa mnyora kwa ndoma kwa Jones awali kwa assembly lakini ndana kwa Saraswa mimi tukelimo.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I want to appreciate the committee for giving us an opportunity and also thank my honorable members that we have been bestowed with a great responsibility to serve the people of Nyamira. We have an opportunity to come back, work together. My hands are open to welcome my friends. We work together, we push Nyamira forward. We have a timeline. 5 years is not a long time. Next year we are engaging campaigns. We have an opportunity.
There is no one day anamoja Nyamira to Saraswa and I want to see sama kwa mnyora kwa ndoma kwa Jones awali kwa assembly lakini ndana kwa Saraswa mimi tukelimo. Yes, achora 2017 ndana kwa Saraswa mimi Ono, oromuchi, owe shidanero. Loko yamukai chiramuchikamero. Loko amaka. Otame ngwatena amangana Nyamira, toisasi Nyamira, toyesome Nyamira. Ikorese netiate wete, ilena Nyamira, Omo senator oberi gakomenya abantu. Nyamira no morere aenero kuigana chiko. Oye minderie Senate yango to uso kenyingo.
Raundi to chake na saa mugoro mugava no gatabi nyalibo nya ogatabi musikitari nyabaronga. Utajitu kole nangero kia ogia kara nyamuno mwamusie nkogenda kere gotebirite binte kore na kaga arinde kero kia kwe mwamusie me gote yo masena tanga nanga kibono gotoka bago Nairobi iba goturanga kaga kumuboli gali secret breaking ekero kia ongere senate ngalenga kwa karansiro yani se bunge ye county ya Nyamira county assembly ngalenga kwa karansiro mno senate.
So what I can say na chiketo ngotanga na ngotebanga omugavana Nyaribo igare igago side ne bunge ya mashinani gose nyumbani igago side ni area mashinani gose ya nyumbani esenge nchonga oruembere riwaye gose abantu bari bakomuoko boko no barabange ngatebega nga onyendiri yare kobanga omugavana Nyaribo tabwate ruembere gochie bunge ya mashinani abwate yero official rege gase gose bono ntumate yero official gose yere gase bunge nyene andage kunango mchande gose bututukano butuboyo lakini esenge nchatari go side na aba barase bunge ye nyene ya Nyamira nakige kogera abwata another gose tubwata another alternative tari abwata bono tubwata another alternative county assembly eyuere ya mashinani bono nakikoro chenga ago advice nyabaro who is the speaker who says that kigare speaker ye yege egokora ya transaction chabo kuru ase bunge ya nene nakigeko karaka mutabinga libaga okulusie kero geke kenda orende kero okie kerenyo libaga okoenda kabusa meaning that igada totabanga bono e county gose omo speaker ori obwenta kobo no mosikokero and we have said several times nga babwate obuhange bori bokogeranga no mo governor Nyaribo onyara kobaga komo consider koba the best wetania se ababa gose wetani ondo ori ore ase bunge iyo igetokene keringa omo senator bono maite blame game yaro tianya kobora na kioro cha kobora no mo senator nga no bwate gero ndi kwanya gocha gusoko kwa bamangana ya gocha chise mo jiri chanaro and you can see nga having this problem is very big and ndirego ikera no mo gosino na gosino no mwana omino mwasi ndirego ikabono tebanga ya
barangalchi yango kurumwe
ga kiturangirchi yango egere nga tinyara ko bachiko tokonya torenga nga kituranyore enchira maybe togokoro bututukanu and you can tell that the Senate, according to the constitution ye goseri chikorie ria 2010 iriense ya Kenya gori batabanga abantu bari gose body eri eko encourage na go spearhead gose ko kurigeria mangana devolution it is the Senate. So going there in the Senate kurene ya mabori has no problem, has nothing to do with what is happening in Nyamira because at the end of the day even when in Tukuru Akisi County gose bande bonzi kuransi chinsa mochonsi we need to see things going on as a county ya Nyamira. That's why we need an urgent solution. So after all, you know, politics cha Kenya it's all about propaganda, it's all about blame game. Yangani yaninga korokana kobomya uikora akoriyo mugo kombitenere amatobe. Nandenga reronye to kombite na yaroni again tuna kembera because you are my competitor. Yani think kolenga ninga go semba timba go singi kiaba. I'll just bring the blame on you. Esengi njunga you are my competitor. So that's what happening. We will have to ask to blame more senator. Nyaribo mo senator nera has to come back and say mo senator nera okorataki go somo governor watemecha. So those blame games are about politics. Nyamira and we hoping that gente que gecha at home diende ba tabrenga Rusia mangana nkaga oyere oyako biroche Nairobi na no ru Nairobi otenga na ne toira ne ka to ya solve. So we are hoping that very soon to a resolution agere bintu bigende go skase county
Dennis mugavana akoboli na nkwanya go ikaransa county yana county.
I'm happy finally the governor answer ko where the solution is. Answer ko robo konya ale ke sunteime. O confirm ringa na ale ne ke kosi ke tekemo still no e karo is with the team speaker eno kokero no hale lakini ndo omajire korokana ogo blame the other camp komajiko ba solution inga motale kwanja egente kegendere bunanke bwaterreteiga inchende na ino kumotale go tutigera tadi usinyabaro ano kwa to MCA kwa olende kiao no mo senator nae tikana koena na chini welgoma kole senator alia ono what he's saying is bleeding to the two camps nga in as much as imbu ateye molembe toyo tikangomba kuanere nchira tora iwane ababande. That's a reconciliatory statement. I think moving forward bono ka kuanza kokuana igo toko mate nende kuana menta kokuana buyake tika ko blame banta ababere mente gia now get MCAs on board bonsi bakuana batebi ngolu story gente. I think in reality answer ko don on himunga egente ke county ke koirwa na NMS na bakonyora Amina Messi uno mo governor Nyaribo. I think it's good. The talk now answer was okay. Nero answer appeal to the people yale ko banga oyero bwe MCA nabwati oyo moina agakolusi tabwati kende gese gina bera agendera koba ayeko bwato bwe MCA utakora akira kende
no mo deputy speaker
no deputy speaker no ekende gwatumegere kiao ekina kiatakwana no ekende gwatumegere kiao abatokoranga kitora agokore no mo senator rende kwambere irara mono ore Nairobi ende no takero ikaranse anga ekerongera lakini abo ikaranse keroge assembly ge walk kono wikale tomorembe wikale tomorembe manyako babo I think it's good a conversation mo na bansire go change abantu bansire go soft near ground nyaribo now is coming to his senses singa it is no longer tenable kugambira abantu bataliamo no njengo lusinda a lot of ground na bintu binde ngo sale kabire go chimotu no ne chikura ja 2027 eje na be cover issue asoko ira na kwa ego soko tairana
because NMS esa koira ige korokinga bono egasia gosinyi so coming 2027 ande go seke mandate ya bantu ngari baga yeko mokangera ige ko garabo nororo kanenga maybe tara koromeri
bito mugavana make statement inga anke bunenya ngawerie begete nyama munwe kolige roje ya nyamende yabwa tugerie bwate muno yinya barare goteri kolinda ndese mtobe tukukwana igore ya omo deputy governor ase chisake Jones bekara biko nya gwetana na mbiriko ikange no mukonyi bo mugavana ikaut nyamiro musike Dr. James Ndichoge Sami mbiriko ikange biko majiko ikange mbiriko mukuna ani nigare nse mariko bwae igende kyo zachinde nige kagera is one of the issues chijaba three as a forum yaba deputy governor asibo mirente bakamya batabanga tuwabera aba deputy governor niko tolenge tuchaire ntubwatiba gabyayigo na ande county chonti na tiko kumi konya ntuma thing yaba governor ngusana na bale yo governor no deputy governor gusiga abangusana ne ko 2013 gotira baka munda tachietia ndaka ibintu bune biko chagocha lakini bakamya batabanga mono igesekirete bonega aba deputy governor ntubwanto we role enshrined in the law talingo monta kubwata ko nzachinde eroli yali kutoka kanjale ngo ese county ya Nyamira gote wakanya nge situation ya Nyamira kole tutaranda abuto iko chingwa na chia aba deputy governor kose forum ya aba deputy governor ase aba deputy governor bago sabanga baye kuchinguru niko banya ko bago chigani kose niko chia babole bakanya bange babwa tibero bakora nande ka nyumo director na tarambe kere kribo ikyo omo deputy governor be county ya Trans Nzoia na bwate eki na gosina bwate petition yake tubo chipe senate asa ko tabanga ni gako kwa saribo mabwa na bali bagotebekana ngani barange no mugavana na tembea igomba liko bwana mugavana iko security yago tenga security ya 3 guaranteed iko bwa mateba bakabotenga bwa mateba bagavana 40 aba SH county 47 county 40 mugavana na deputy governor bali kuligira ni maisa msamaiso iko county chibwata bagavana bakuligira na deputy governor ba 7 asa bani ngora ngikisi county nera ya moya bese bona iga so liko omo director nambe kire gripo ikyo kia ba governor aba deputy governor ako sababu na baye kuchinguru wake
for those positions. You have the governor's position and the deputy governor's position. Of your own choice, you choose to be. So today, by legislating what we are doing, we are simply trying to create a governor through a back door.
I have the deputy governor, and he cannot be able to serve his people because the same office has been crippled completely. We are not seeking for power. We are not seeking for money issues. We are only seeking the office to be able to be operational so that it can be able to support its people.
We have a pool of professionals. We have economists, we have doctors, name it. And therefore, these are people being paid a very good salary. And the critical thing is that they come to office and they have no bare minimums. What is it that you come to do in the office? We are flower girls. We need it to be clarity on the functions and laws of deputy governors. Once you go to the office in the morning, what is it that you do? And so as we can bring value for money for the people who pay us a salary, who are the people of this country.
We are not asking for anything outside the Constitution. All we are asking for is that the office of the deputy governor be functionalized.
mwanjo muligererie habo n'aba deputy governor bali gukwana ase kiombe kiabo gose deputy governors forum asibaga saba bamendo chinguru nande twarole muno gusana nkonyara kole gokwane gochinga kichintambe gati aba governor n'aba deputy governor toweto kwandira gakwa muno obutuko bogate kwane kwase county ya Nyamira toweto kubulinga mu governor mu deputy governor James ondicho kesaminga yale tukatabanga egasi ayagendera tera nari mirimo head of state combination tukwatete ngera nari mirimo ya yeria katibe mwete.
Sometimes in 2008, I think I was in Nairobi working with some media house.
Then the day I was in Standard 7.
Standard 7. But then Kanyoromo, current deputy governor Nyamira, Dr. James Ondicho Gesami, Nkamonyora Samkona, Nkamokore interview. By then he was an MP West Mugranga. I think he was
West Mugranga.
First term. He was having first term.
Under ODM.
Under ODM. Na mugole tiama boli amanga sana. Nginyole bitanda ibero bitatanda yatinga. Like 20 years chi airire maega iga atakete ko boli obo jumbe. Jumatara abo mujumbe iga atakete ko boli obo jumbe. That was 2008. I think early or late 90s. He had wanted ko boli obo jumbe ba West Mugranga. Lakini agasita hakenga ya abana mbaraga ndara. And akarengere by then I think it was a sub-county, like a district public health, Minister of Health, at the district level, a doctor. Then there was a promotion at the provincial level, a provincial medical officer. Still, what am I saying? Again,
Wacha kuigereza aje kutoka
Dr. Gesami no mongorara ase bintu gete no chirara mangana roti
tari gutabanana
tari muntu gutabanana ga kuamwa ngoamuire igoro ali okerori. I think by then he made a decision in bonombo oliegenteke na bonkoira. Back to the governor, deputy governors forum.
Asitoko tumeke kisambo kyo mu governor kwa county ya Kisii o mu deputy governor yoro
abange babaire bundled out of office in chamber of Ungo blame. You motaranja kobe deputy governor. You read the constitution in Kiagote.
Egasi ya umanyanero.
Egasi ya one yenga in case of any eventuality. And that eventuality meaning whoever or motu ya o group governor kende ke movere either by impeachment or by death.
Was it by incapacitation?
Incapacitation or any other way described in the constitution na hayokoba omo governor.
Ina regasi yao.
Mugama na naro Kisumu, deputy governor nere ya Kisumu. Oganyire, I think you can agree with me. He is the most patient. Kwanya koiwa binto.
Na no komanya to komanya
ko komanya ningo iga tegerete aganyete eventuality. Lakini etaraika at an opportune moment you still remain to be the deputy governor. Again, don't I go by the Council of Deputy Governors, wherever.
Forum, Governors Forum.
Governors Forum. You have an opportunity, and whatever more colleague in our cover. Again, be prepared, more colleague and the Korokwa, more change Katiba, a referendum, whether a referendum. Where Chinguru, Chioko, Ayachinguru, Motaget. Number one, Mue G docket. Number two, None Bandero Abekel was an even. Whatever on acting governor, a Kikion CP is provided for.
Kutama tuko ama kutoto wala matuke governor kwa deru sana 6 months.
So they can only pass a referendum, but change a constitution referendum. Otherwise, you can't get
na bako anda kutika na baleo.
Kenza kionsi hivi ni mchezo wa panya na paka.
In fact, yo governor na deputy, onyo governor ngana ro kolete mere muno deputy governor wa yepi. Inta igwete kendi gyo no mugavana mutangana wa Nairobi Moskevan Skidero amona Jonathan Mweke oyo bono ge PS ya livestock na ba ko miaka ya betano buje ikapata sikikantia no.
You understand the role yawe. The position you are placed abuno mo deputy governor you understand from the onset.
Nali murasikana na.
Abeka no nyombo mukungu na bakora imokie bikatio tawanga na anja am the head of the family. Lakini kama nyete place ya role the head you don't need to shout you are the head. Let the headship come by itself. One I check on the wega and you can take a correct by the way. Number governor governor, they don't look eye to eye. It's a good charge. You know, these are politicians, and whatever that they are doing, it's all about power. I don't know, Toto, you can bear
na Dennis Oriuki that our deputy governor, they were just used during the elections to bring that what we call
numbers.
These memorandums of understanding, I think as negotiating, you will do this and this and this. Again, deputy governor, those promises that they made during the campaigns, because of those resources. Most of the impeachment, I want to believe, most of the impeachments, county government, maybe the deputy governor has a hand, because that is the only way. Maybe we have seen that several and we have seen those places as a deputy governor accused
against the governors,
against the incumbents, so the constitution doesn't give clearing deputy governor because
he's the chief principal
assistant governor, and any duties James Kasam. I think he's doing his work. He's just waiting. If something happens to the governor, and then he takes over.
On the same Dennis,
on
the same Dennis, Motara respond, Utara Bukangarikio. Umugavana yo mona ikaransta gatebyo mu deputy governor ebagambete bakaigwana bagatabana ke toko bagana chinguru katika ticho governor na deputy governor atabate one of the counties in Western ndadi kuchukwana kakara
okay
mo deputy governor na bamata tinga nche onye koro chenga ndro yo karagasi na miaka etika tebere nenus ntei bono iga manyenga kinkwe banga tumira na 2027 ikabidi mu deputy governor ko bana maite chinguru cyo mungwano yo ntei atika tolemera
again tokende cyo mwere
na bonko gesi ya bunkai
I mean no ndatara kwa na Dennis. You look at, I want you to look at the situation we had in Meru, the Kawira Mwangaza Bunarua. You could tell, and it was clear that the deputy governor had an na bwate okoboko kuchase mo governor lengo. Why? Because look at Kerare Koba sworn in as a governor. You could tell the competitors Barengo na Kawira Asechikura, they were all there. Ochakere Methikali Nturi, Oichekrai Tumurungi, and all the leadership of Meru, no Barengari. That is a clear picture. And cabinet secretary no. That tells you clearly they had a hand, including the deputy governor, who is now the governor of Meru. So in Chenko Ranga, Otatuaro Kega, Sio Konge, Watabu Atega clear in their counties. Accelerate kere go stage an impeachment for the governors.
And then this is Nabora Gesi, Nabora Gesi, Motara Gesi, deputy governor of county Gesi, almost Erija Bebo. Ere Karago Karansa Savoramu Yaba Kurende Yaba deputy governor Bonoiga. A position Yae Kirikobe, Kiaba Guchingu was in by Guchingu. Yani karokoli because circumstance ya governor abanetinga umu governor Gesami circumstance ya netinga ne chimu governor Richope
siasa era bonere supremacy wars ya karota do kaligari at the moment moda da kwa guchinguru beyond the chirimo bwata chiobo deputy then you are creating a position ya korokunga co-governors. So if you want to be a co-governor, there is a position for that. A position a provision of what you can be able to do. From the onset, behind the scenes, Mokaiwana nga ayabano kabe deputy na watu kolega asiam. Kabe deputy kolega asiam. Ebindo biga change kasi ko kora molende no mugabana konyatara bagabana no konyatara ba deputy oro le gasi enere e reality ne linga e gasi etali elitu akwane yaikire ya change. One or two things we got remain here. Either way, impeachment nero, which is an option. I am a deputy governor. No, I go konyara no impeach. Impeach or governor. inje muno mugabana no enkoranga kwansire koburabura nende option yaro yo go impeach I impeach you. So either way consequences inchiro nende twabirore muna bigo play out. The deputy governor ya Meru ekaranga there is the best way out yoko mwaka siko impeachment yegachi. It's politics. Governor ya Kisii ekaranga the best way no go deal with my deputy through impeachment akamwaka agaswako chiali. There is no crime kanene karubu what the process nende either way go koro migire mono impeach governor obe governor
because ibagite deputy governor ya Nyamira jinga kecho moske amusnyaribo ninyo tena era na ate tubakatika ali nabo koli gasbe governor moske Nyagarama jinga ketiga itinga 2015 ote about era batanda nte sana
yabona
omo deputy governor kwa county ya Kisii omukuru moske Joash Mangi na era mpa minyoka net sana no nyega ika second term agasoka karaso aju piliko chimoino anda gaja gera mutenga atika twa kigenteke kuchiya kigenteke abere ke
eliogo ndiringa ayiko konyara go impeach governor Morusi tikana go change constitution ngo obe super deputy governor nguru ko jato mongente
again tokende
use the legitimate power
again tokende o materi ba ko genda such campaign they don't see go sobo be bonde again tokenga again tokeko gara bachi baita na I told you ni resources okubagana koliba the interest that they have na kiyako gara again tokende there's a pastor I used to listen Osenganji takotagara
in short
Torimugano monene I want to be very brief agotabanga riri abantu bataete ko nyomana riri muri na dating time you see ugoko ba blind turikora weaknesses chomuntu lakini riri achire nyomba mu abere bona liko chakolani nga yaya umuntu ukumena bwata matama nene umuntu ukumena bwato emiore nene after achire kwarere bona during those campaign team what I want to say Nkelinga during those campaign times umuntu tarikora bobebo umuntu because batatinga egenteketi ya tokenyon riba kenyorire bona expectation cyabo na chiro cyabo cyakora cyacha when the reality strikes in bona kwanyoranga difference cyakora cyachakira koroka yes
hana
deputy governor njire chitamanyiri which is okay they know their position actually nabo ko ba blameless nabo ko mushahara for the 5 years otagara
and we are ready to akoranga baga para na bara jaba baba deputy bachi bachora bantu batali ngurubuja because kwa bad advice ringa baba impeach
so meaning that for you to survive as a deputy governor you don't need to question a lot
not questioning a lot questioning
no
because your position I mean we used to say this
don't question tell a lot
we used to say this sometimes back you are there to be seen and not to be heard I know go tenena sole yes your excellency yes your excellency the moment you go drop yes your excellency the minute na ya bono ko excellency if you have the power to be the excellency why not do it
show your excellency
in less than a minute crossing the marks
again to that I don't know Toto going forward I think the deputy governors went to understand your work you survive this politics naende kero aba governor bago chakochora ba deputy babo manyanga nahande haruma I think to dictate ngogochora you are governor I mean your deputy governor nyuranga naron koretwere na numbers because politics is numbers you correct on the table so meaning that naye kero go sabo mugao gonga nimbwate interesting na nchena aleta tabantu na nchenge tariki nkonyora so you need to negotiate in a proper way korende to me yakobanga there's a way where the clear duties chomo deputy governor chimendo ko ba aligned egeranga na batu aregasi bagokora na batu araga tarigete egera mbago isaranza banda ba orchestrate
ndonda takota baneke bali motoligerete na ro none chi comment ya mwalimu obuba mwejimu obuoge na bande moligerete alimo konyakorwe birengerali which is good but my opinion yerenga if you are deputy governor nende no bwate aspirations choko be governor number one make sure lirimo kogenda chi campaign no bwata half the MCAs
abara bao
bali yogo support bache bagotanga no etalia kufa na kupona naye bali naye half so that rende otoke no bwata chinguru in that order ndoje to change akantu aka clause yali gakoe chinguru gete no to bwati power of the members of the county assembly still you can easily be impeached mondo mangabe kwa position and I exercise that power otale we exercise so it's all about muscling the support korwalia machinani. Number two, in terms of our schools performance na bintu binde conduct and becoming abana baito banzire go tuara chi character gete chi ko burganake. I think is all about upbringing ya abana baito. Abana bali na as much as bata performance. You can also learn. Nimanye ta bande bale bata etokanya giereke. A level to ikire generation ye goroga generation Z ya majiri go toke buat solution to all problems. Engarawa korokana ngabanya nyaziri wasinini, you'll see their true colors. Quite unfortunate abayibo liwana abana kibale chirusa. Take time kwana na abana baino. There's a lot that is ongoing. Finally, enya solenere nyinga ya ajire usi sure. Abana bakale go tumeka, especially young girls. Bakale go abuse moto yusana. Ikolende want to recommend egazi yanzire Korune County Commander chire Mr. Ronald Kirui. Want to thank him so much. During this holiday, a lot is likely to be happening, especially ko ligere linki kere. Igon toraba against bali ba go tumeke ndagere yubuna kwanyore ngeli na binto bintu. Finally Nyamira omolembe tigobo governor, senator na MCAs mutale wancho molembe obe. Asenge nchege nto keligere iri motua. Ngo urumole county ya Nyamira again deputy national government yeto control
one word
just one word kwa boli position kwa yomo konyi bomurai mokonyi bomo deputy governor Kisii County. I want to tell you mokonyi bomurai bomo deputy governor we county ya Kisii na maitenga kero kwa minire bigoti what happens so he knows his position
mwanje muligiria muntu ko rege karo litukeligali ale ya Jumapili tariki 13 balengenere head of state commendation Dennis Orioki na boigo Sam Miyenda njeni ngongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri tumbirane ase keigo ase amangana mayego seke unga chinsenya senjera yoboikran
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere e company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya segeka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boygo chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na boygo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boygo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na mwokwege namuna ekale ya watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwekirano tutarererwa eliwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo, ngotuka bari asi nyumba ya JM Towers, eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange, bakere simigwe traseti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Uhuru Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills